So let's check the question one. So question one, quickly, we'll go like this. Solution 1P03 base 4 equal to 115 base 10. So we should find P. So quickly, what you do is this, is to convert this base 4, convert it to base 10, and simplify. Right. So let's see how to convert this. To converting this to base 4, we quickly say 1 times, so there will be 0, 1, 2, 3. Base 4, the first number is 3, power 3, plus P is the next one, times 4 to the power of what? 2. Then we have an NS to be plus 0 times 4 to power 1 plus 3 times 4 to power 0 equals to 115. Okay. So quickly, 4 raised to the power of 3 is what? 4 times 4, 16 times 4. So that'll give us 64. So we have 64 plus 4 square is 16. 16 times P will give us 16P. Then here, 0, everything will be 0, right? 0 times 4 is 0. Then here, 4 raised to the power of 0 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3, equal to 115. All right. So what we do now, we have a 16 equal to, so every other number go to this way. So we have 115. So when 64 plus 3, let me just go like that, I'll give us 67. So you say minus 67. 64 plus 3 is 67. So when you cross to the equal sign here, it gives you 67, all right, minus 67. So this was 16P. Okay, so quickly, here we have 16P equal to 115 minus this, okay? So we have here 15 minus 7, we have what? 8, right? We're left with what? 1 here. This one is already taking 0, 10. 10 minus 6, we have what? 4. So we have 48. So therefore, P is 48 divided by 16. And that will give us, what will it give to us? 3. So we have 3. So the value of P is 3. Right? So go through it. Let's go to the next number. All right, let's check the question 2. The question says simplify this expression. 2 root 3 plus 3 root 5 and 2 root 3 minus 3 root 5. The product of the two. All right. So simply, the normal procedure is to expand this. Expand it. But looking at it with a second eye, you find out that this is a solution of difference of two squares. And difference of two squares, x squared minus y squared, is simply x plus y, x minus y. All right, so looking at it, you find out it's a difference of two square solution. So what you do quickly is this, pick the two numbers. So you have 2 root 3 square minus 3 root 5 square. Okay? So 2 square is what? 2 square is 4. Root 3 square is what? Root 9. Minus 3 square is what? 9. Root 5 square is root 25. So this will simply means 4 times root 9 is what? 3. Root 25 is what? 5. So we have 4 times 3, 12, minus 45. So which will quickly give to us as what? Minus 33. Very easy one. All right? So this is the solution to number 2. All right, take it down. So let's now pick the next one, question 3. Let's go. All right, let's go with question 3 again. So let's see. So if you look at it, this is a simultaneous equation, but there's a fraction on it. So we need to arrange it linearly so that we can solve it simultaneously. All right, so what we do simply is to rearrange it. This equation is going to be 2 into 1 over x minus 3 into 1 over y equal to 2. And this will be 4 into 1 over x, and this will be plus 3, 1 over y equal to 0, equal to 10. Sorry. So with this now, you will now say let p equal to 1 over x and let q equal to 1 over y. So with this now, you can easily express this linearly. So you have 2 into p, or let me just say 2p minus 3q equal to 2, right? Equation 1. Then this one will give us 4p, right? Give plus 3q equal to what? 10. Call this equation 2. All right. So we've gotten equation 2 and equation 1. So what we do now is to solve them simultaneously. So is that you use the elimination method or substitution method or the inverse of a matrix, or you use the Cramer's rule, or let's say you use the coefficient method. So let's say you are using the coefficient method here now. For us to get our P sharply, P can be gotten like this. Quickly, you take this diagonal here, this one here, this first one here, 3 times 2 to give you what? 6, right? Minus the second one, that is this one. You have 10 times minus 3 will give us minus what? 30, right? That is the numerator. The denominator, you go where you started from. This is this 3. 3 times 2, you have what? 6. Then this one, 4 times this, we have minus 12, all right? So we've gotten it. So the value of P is done. So we have 6 plus what? 30, right? Divide by 6 plus 12. Okay? Minus minus is plus. So quickly, you now have that this 6 plus 30 is 36. Divided by 18, which implies 2. So P is what? 2. All right. So how do we get our Q? Simple. Put P equal to 2 into equation 1. So let's use equation 1. So where you see P, you put 2. So you have 2 into 2 in equation 1 minus 3q equal to 2. So you have 4 minus 3q equal to 2. So minus 3q is equals to 2 minus 4. Going for cross to this side. Okay. So we have minus 3q equal to minus 2. So therefore, Q is 2 over 3. Because the minus, we cancel out the minus. So we've gotten Q to be what? 2 over 3. Right. So if you want to check, and check it and confirm whether the expression is correct or not. Okay. So when you put 2 over 3 here now, it give you 2 here. Then 2 times 2, 4. 4 minus 2, you have to, so it's correct. So the values are what? 2 and 2 over 3. Now we need to get the value of x, okay? The value of x, because recall, you can recall that you said that, recall that your p is equal to 1 over x. So if p is 1 over x, so the value of p is 2. equal to 1 over x. So cross multiply, you have that 2x is equal to 1. Therefore, x is 1 over 2. So we've gotten the value of x, 1 over 2. So we want to get the value of y. So recall so that y, or let me go now, y is, okay, q is equal to 1 over y. So q is 2 over 3. So you say 2 over 3 equal to 1 over y. So cross multiply, you have 2y equal to 1. 3 times 1, right? Right? It's okay. So you have that y is what? 3 over 2. So we're done. So x comma y is simply 1 over 2 comma 3 over 2. So it's a very easy one. Okay? Thank you. Let's go for the next one. So go through it. Let's go for the next correction. Question 4. So let's check the question 4 on our correction series. The question says, make f the subject of the relation or the formula this. So when you look at the question, we're asked to make f to stand on its own. All right. So what we do, first of all, is to remove the square root covering the expression on the right-hand side. So you say square both sides. Square both sides. First step, to remove the square root. So you have t squared equal to square root v over 1 over f plus 1 over g all square. So this square will go with this. Okay? So you are left with what? T squared equal to v over 1 over f plus 1 over g. All right, that's the first step. All right, the next step is to clear this fraction on the right-hand side. So the two what you do is cross multiply. So you have t squared into 1 over f plus 1 over g equal to v. So bear in mind that you are looking for f. So what you do next is to take away this t squared that is attached to them. So you divide both sides by t squared. So you have a 1 over f plus 1 over g is equal to v over t squared. All right. So we've done the step. So the next thing we do quickly is to take this 1 over g to this side because we are looking for f. So the next thing is to remove this 1 over g by adding minus 1 over g to both sides. So we have 1 over f. So this one will be equal to v over t squared minus 1 over g. Right. So right now, we're coming closer. But for us to take away this fraction, we need to simplify this. So we have a 1 over f. So let's simplify this. So the LCM of these two is gt squared. That is LCM. So gt squared into t squared will give us g. So we have gv. Gt squared into g, we have t squared. So here we have t squared. All right, minus t squared. All right, at this junction, what we do next is to cross multiply so that we have a linear system, just one line. Okay? So what we do now is this one now will be f into gv by cross multiplying is equals to what? Gt squared. When gt squared times 1, it remains the same. So at this moment, our question is almost done. So what we do next is divide both sides by what is attached to the f? Gv minus t squared. So if you divide both sides, you have therefore that f is equal to gt squared all over gv minus t squared. Very easy one. All right, so that is number 4. So let's go for the next one. All right, so go through any question, drop it at the comment section. Let's check it out. Thank you very much. All right, let's check question 5. Question 5 is a very easy one. Most of my candidates got this. So let's see it. Solution. The so should find the value of x. So quickly, 8x over 2 is equal to 2, 3 over 8 times 4, 3 over 4. So quickly, the first thing you do in this type of exponential expression is to make the base the same. Make the base the same. 8, 2, 4. Make them to be the same base. So this one quickly will give us 2 raised to the power of 3 x over 2. That is 8 is 2 raised to the power of 3. Then 2 is 2 raised to the power of 3 over 8. And 4 is 2 raised to the power of 2. 3 over 4. So see, we have arranged them all in the same base. So let's simplify. So here you have 2, 3x over 2 equal to 2, 3 over 8 times this into 4 will give us 2. 3 times 2, 6. So we have 2. Okay, it's not times, it's over. So I have 3 over 2. Okay, because this one done. All right, 3 over 2. Okay, so see, they're of the same base. So what you now do is this side of the expression will be 2, 3x over 2, the law of indices. Same base, you add the power. So you have 2, 3 over 8 plus 3 over 2. So the two sides have now the same base. So what we do now is what? Equate the powers. So you have 3x over 2 is equal to 3 over 8 plus 3 over 2. So what we do next is to take what? The LCM. The LCM. Multiply through by the LCM. And the LCM of 2, 8, and 2 is 8. So we multiply through by the LCM. So you have 8 into 3x over 2 plus equal to 8 into 3 over 8, okay, plus 8 into 3 over 2. This will go with this. You have 4. This will go with this. You have 1. This will go with this. You have 4. 4 times 3, 12x. 1 times 3, 3. 4 times 3, you have 12. Okay? So here you have 12x equal to 3 plus 4. Or 3 plus 12, sorry. 3 plus 12 is 15. Okay? So divide both sides by the coefficient of x. We give you 15 over 12, which implies what? 3 here, 5. 3 here, 4. So have a 4, or you say 1 whole number, 1 over 4. It's a very easy one. All right? Any question? You drop it at the comment section. Let's look at it together. Thank you. Let's go to the next question quickly.